Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through setting up and using the key features of Divi to design your WordPress site easily. The link to try Divi from Elegant Themes is in the description below. Click it to visit their website and explore Divi at a great price. Divi is a widely used WordPress theme and page builder known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It offers a wide range of professional templates, customizable elements, and design options. Divi allows you to build almost any type of website without needing to write any code. Before you begin, ensure your WordPress site is set up. Once your site is ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. You will see the default theme currently active. To install Divi, visit the link in the description to reach Elegant Themes. On their site, find Unlock the Power of Divi and click on Join Today. You can choose between a yearly or lifetime license. Elegant Themes also offers a 30-day risk-free trial. After purchasing, download the Divi zip file from your account on Elegant Themes. Back in WordPress, click Add New under Themes, then choose Upload Theme. Select the Divi zip file and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to activate Divi on your site. Now that Divi is active, go to the WordPress dashboard, click Pages, then Add New. Name the page, for example, Home, and click Use Divi Builder. You will see three options: Build from scratch, use a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For beginners, it's easier to start with a pre-made layout. Click Browse Layouts, select a category like Business, and look through the templates. Pick a template and click Use this layout. Log in with your Elegant Themes username and API key, then click Submit. The template will load, and you can begin customizing it. Divi's structure is made up of sections, rows, and modules. Sections are the main elements, rows divide sections into columns, and modules are the individual elements, such as text, images, or buttons, within rows. To edit a module, hover over it and click the gear icon. You can adjust text, images, colors, and other settings directly in the visual editor. To edit a row or section, click the settings icon where you can change background colors, add gradients, or add new rows and columns. Divi's design is responsive, so your site will look great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. To save your progress, click Save Draft. When you're satisfied with the page, click Publish. You can repeat this process to create additional pages like an About or Contact page. Once your pages are ready, upload your logo by going to Divi in the dashboard and selecting Theme Options. Upload the logo and adjust its size by going to Appearance and then Customize. In this section, you can also set a static home page and create navigation menus under Appearance. Add your pages to the menu and save the changes. This is how you use Divi to create a professional WordPress website. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.